What's up guys, welcome to this new video. I'm going to do a multi-part video of me fixing up the exterior of this car and changing the color using a wrap. In this part 1 we're just gonna go over the plans with this car and all the damage. So right now the car is white and I don't know how well it shows up on video, but like there's many like imperfections like this, these scratches. Front bumper is in pretty bad shape, which is still pretty new. It got some rust spots like this. It got a lot of big dents. You can kind of see it in the door. We're gonna fix all of those and go over the whole car, which is gonna involve a lot of sanding, filling and stuff like that, priming, and then we're gonna wrap the car. So the first thing I'm gonna do is probably clean it because the car it's pretty dirty. I don't know what happened with these spots. I don't know where those came from, but especially the front bumper. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean the car. Okay, so now I've cleaned the car, so we can better address all the damage and the imperfections. So the front bumper is a lot better now compared to before. A lot of the bugs are gone. It's not completely clean. So pretty much any panel on this car has at least some kind of damage to it. Some worse than others. So start off with the hood. I don't think there's many like dents in the hood, if any at all, not that I can see. But you can kind of, it's still a little bit wet, so you can see like this scratch here that has been filled up at some point. So this has to be sanded down and made flat again. And there's also like small spots like this. We got a little bit of a rust spot right there that needs to be fixed. Mainly it's just very small stuff, also like parts like this that just need to be sanded down and filled in to make sure they're flat. The front bumper also has a lot of damage to the lower lip that needs to be fixed. You can see a little bit of cracking right there. And especially here in the center, we can see it's completely cracked. On this fender, so you can kind of see on this fender that the scratch is kind of like continuing on. And there's like small black spots, all those need to be removed. Not sure if I can get it across on camera, but there is like a little bit of a dent. Yeah, you can kind of see it in the light reflection. A little bit of a dent right there. So this has like a lot of paint chipped off. It actually isn't rusted too much. It pretty much isn't rusted because this car is always inside and then never drives in the rain. So it's not really rusted, it's just the paint that chipped off. I think this side of the car isn't too bad. There is a little bit of a dent right there. You can kind of see it in the reflection. There's one dent right there. And I think on this back door, I think the back door is in pretty good shape at least. You can kind of see a little bit of damage right there, but this thing has been repainted at some point. Very horrible job. I think it just needs to be sanded down to it's smooth so we can wrap it. These also have to be repainted and have a really bad texture on them, so those need to be sanded down. The roof itself is in pretty decent shape. It's actually not bad. There is like a few small dents. I'm not sure if I can get them on camera. But you can kind of see a little bit of imperfections in the paint, like small dents. You can see the paint itself is in pretty bad shape, but it doesn't matter. So this door is actually the worst. Yeah, you can kind of see there's a very big dent right there. And also like on the bottom side, it's very difficult to show on white paint. You can also see the scratch continues on over to this panel. Someone keyed this car at some point, not when I had it, but previous owner. Small dent right there. There is like more dents right there. I cannot really get it on camera though. You can kind of see it. Again, you can see the gap right there that the whole door has been pushed in. And this thing also has the scratch that continues on. Has a little bit of a paint chip right there. The plastic panels were in pretty good shape, even though like a lot of the, yeah, that's like coming off. So I need to get new clips for those. Okay. All the door handles are gonna properly be repainted. The scratch continues on all over the panel, all the way back. The spoiler is also in pretty bad shape. Well, I used touch-up paint, so it's not difficult to see, but a lot of the chips were like on the back side. There is like some rust spots on the rear. Pretty much every single panel needs to have some kind of retouch, filling and stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna spend quite a long time on trying to fix that before we're actually going to continue and wrap it. I got this from Bumper, but I still got the stock side skirts and rear bumper. I am getting different ones. I think they're like the AMG style side skirts and rear bumper. I think they fit pretty well with this front bumper right here. This rear bumper is gonna go, and then I think this panel also will go because the front bumper or the rear bumper I'm getting actually is like one piece, whereas this is like multiple pieces. So those will be done separately and wrapped separately. So yeah, that's the damage on this car. So the next thing I will be doing is just removing all the panels. Which means the mirrors, the front bumper, the grille, the rear spoiler, all the panels. Just strip the car as much as possible, and then we can really address the damage. These bolts are like really stuck in there. I also noticed that we got this part here, but it's not like it's bolted in or anything like that. There's nothing that's actually like connecting it to the car, or like bolts. So I'm pretty sure this is like glued in or something. It looks like this part is a little bit loose. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to remove this right now. But I'm just gonna let the WD-40 soak in overnight and see if it will help. Otherwise I'm going to just try to bend these tabs to at least loosen this part. And then hopefully we can remove the other parts by just pulling it off. We'll see. Okay, so it's the next day, and unfortunately the little tab that holds the spoiler in place did break off on both sides. But there's some rust left. But at least it's one step into removing the spoiler. So the next thing is it's glued in, I'm pretty sure. You can kind of tell. If you look over here, you can see that it's some kind of adhesive between it. Okay, so the rear has been mostly disassembled. It's only the plastic panel that has to be done. You can see it's quite dirty under there, so I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning soon. It was definitely not easy to remove a lot of this stuff, except for like the bumper and the lights. All the badges were pretty difficult to remove, and especially the spoiler. I spent a long time on removing that. But at least this is finished. So let's continue on with the other parts of the car. Okay, so I've completely disassembled the car. I took the headlights off, the bumper, the side skirts, most of the trim around the windows, the trim around the roof. And there's only one more that I couldn't get out, and that's the rear window trim. It seems to be stuck on there. I looked at a few videos trying to figure out how to do it, and they all seem to just pull it off. That's not working for me, so hopefully it's not like glued in. So that's like the last thing I have to figure out. And that's pretty important because you can see right there that it's not sealing properly and water is seeping in between. And it is ending up in the trunk, which that definitely needs to be fixed. So I have to remove this, and I also want to remove the antenna. So that's like the last small stuff I have to do. The door handles I'm gonna take off once I get to the panel, because I think it's gonna be a little bit difficult to open the doors when these are off. So that will be it for this part. In the next part, I'm going to start working on the body and we're going to prepare it for the wrap. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.